Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install Wine on your Mac. This method is great if you want the newest Wine version to run Windows application on Mac OS. Let's get started. First, you can see here on my notepad this link, github.com GCENX Mac OS Wine. Just copy this link. I will give you this link in my description as well. Now open your preferred browser. Now paste your link here, then press enter. Now you can see here the GitHub is open. Now scroll down and you can see here assets. Under assets you can see here Wine Devil and Wine Staging 2 versions. The Devil version is used for developers and staging version is we will use. Just simply click on Wine Staging. As you can see, the download is started. Now let the download be done first. As you can see on my screen, the download is successfully completed. Now we will install the Wine. Just simply double click on this tar.exe file. Now it is extracting the file. Let the extraction be done first. As you can see here, the Wine app. Now just open your Finder, go on desktop. Now you can see here the Wine app. Just drag this app to the application folder here. That's it. Now open your Launchpad and you can see here the Wine app. You can see on my screen. Now simply click on this app. You can see here Wine staging cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. Now what you have to do, just open your system preferences. Now you can see here security and privacy. Click on it. Now you can see here on general category, Wine staging was blocked from use because it is not from an identified developer. What you have to do, just simply click on this lock, provide your Mac password here. Now just simply click on open anyway. That's it. Click on open. Now close this and now open your Wine app. As you can see on my screen, it is successfully launched. Now let's install and check Windows application. First open your browser. We will try Notepad++. This is only for Windows. Application is built only for Windows. We will install this on Mac. Just click on download Notepad. Just click on download Notepad++, the required version. Click on download button. As you can see, the download is completed. Now we will open this exe file. Right click on this exe file and you can see open with and click on Wine staging. Now you will see this Notepad will install. Now you can see here the installer is open. Now select the language, then click on OK, then click on next. I agree. Just select the directory, then click on next. Again next. Now create a shortcut on desktop. Click on install. As you can see, the installation is started of Notepad++ setup. As you can see, completed Notepad++. Just simply click on finish. Now you will see the application on my screen. As you can see here, the interface of Notepad++ on my screen. So that's how you can download and install Wine staging on Mac using the link which I will provide you in the description. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment which Windows application you are trying to run. Thank you for watching.